Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of retain. Keep possession of what you have. For example, built in 1830, the house retains many of its original features. The second definition of retain. You can absorb and keep the substance. For example, limestone is known to retain water. American pronunciation. Retain. Retain. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Retain. Say. Retain. Retain means continue to have. Retain. Retain. Retain origin. Late Middle English via Anglo-Norman French, Old French retainer. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Many seniors continue to retain one valuable asset, their home. Now, repeat after me. Many seniors continue to retain one valuable asset, their home. The second practice. Conductors, too, can retain their musical powers long after physical vigor has departed. Now, repeat after me. Conductors, too, can retain their musical powers long after physical vigor has departed.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.